What's the meaning of bargain basement? Bargain basement. Bargain basement.
Bargain basement. Bargain basement. Bargain basement is a term used to describe a section of a store or business where items are sold at discounted prices. Typically, these goods are older, out of season, or overstocked items that the store needs to clear out to make room for new merchandise. The term bargain basement can also be used more generally to refer to anything that is sold at a significantly reduced price compared to its original value. It is a popular shopping destination for those looking for deals and savings. Shoppers can find a wide range of products in a bargain basement, from clothing and shoes to electronics and home goods.